Good morning, students. Today we will do watercolor in a bird. So here we will do the wet technique in which we just blend the color on the water. So here we'll start with the basic shapes which help us to draw the bird very easily, like one circle and one semicircle. So you can also add one rectangle to the for the drawing of tail, and here two feet and some branches. So first we add the basic shapes, after that we will give a detail. So this is the final drawing which I'll do. Now for the coloring, here I need to blend the water on the sheet because it's a wet technique with the watercolor. So here I'll add little colors to blend it on the water. So you can see that I'm using the yellow color, and after that I'll take the orange color so that it will blend. If you feel that the water is more, then you can also wipe it with the brush, and you can also use one rough cloth. Slowly and gradually you can add the shade so that it will look beautiful. Here I'll follow the technique from light to dark. As you see, my first layer was very light, and slowly I'll just add the dark shades into it. Here I'll take the black color with the little brown to give a little shadow area. So here is one very small beak which I need to cover with the brown and black color. And also need to add the outline of the feather, because there is some area which is little dark. So here is the shadow part where I need to add little brown and black. The area under the bird is also little dark, so I'll use the same brown and black there. So for the stems, here I'll take the brown color and randomly I'll just draw the stems. And to give a very light shade to the stems, here I'll use a very light yellow color. You can also add little yellow color into it, or you can also add some flowers into it. And if you want to continue with the background, then it looks so good because the whole composition will complete when you will do the background. So here I'll create a very basic flower. Here I'll need to add some more also. Always keep handy with one rough cloth and water with you, so that the water will more, you can just wipe it with the cloth. can also create some leaves if you want to. So here I'll draw the last flower. You can also put some green color into it to give the texture of the leaves. Thank you for watching.